Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Casa Batllo tickets online. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets by using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of the video. Once you have opened up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here, the official tickets page, from where we can get started with clicking the check availability button, and then once you click on that, it's going to show us all the available dates we have for purchasing the tickets. So let's say I want to purchase tickets for the 9th right here. I'm going to go ahead and select the date, and then I can select what kind of experience I want. Select your experience, and then it's going to show you a time slot that you can choose from. Choose one that suits you the most, and once you have chosen your time slot, it's going to give you a result of all the tickets that are available. Let's say I only want one adult ticket. I'm going to select it right here and then go to the next page, from where you can go and take a look at similar experiences. If you're not interested, click no thanks and go to the personal details page. From here we can start filling out our first name, last name, phone number, all the necessary info, and once you've done so, you can click the next button to go to the payment page. Once you open up the payment page, it's going to show you all the payment methods that you can use for purchasing the tickets, such as Apple Pay, debit, credit card, or PayPal. You're going to select which one suits you the most. So let's say debit and credit card, and now I can go ahead and fill out the info. So once you filled out all the info right here and made the payment and purchased the ticket successfully, they are going to arrive to your email address that you have used for registering your account. Once you have gotten your email ready, you are going to receive your tickets right there. So go into the description of this video, find the first link, and this is how to get started with purchasing those tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.